Senator Booker.
Thank you so much, Chuck. So here we are on day 29 of a government shutdown. 10 months in office, Donald Trump in this short period of time his family wealth has increased by the billions. And we're seeing Americans face unprecedented challenges economically. It just underlines the fact that Donald Trump's administration in these 10 months is really marked by chaos, corruption, and cruelty. The cruelty we're seeing in painful ways. Their big, beautiful bill, so-called, has already taken a battle axe and cut almost $1 billion out of feeding programs for Americans. These are working families who already, because of the skyrocketing costs of rent or their mortgage or energy costs, are already dependent upon programs that are being cut by this administration. It is cruelty that now is being compounded by what we're seeing with the end of the ACA subsidies, as people are seeing what that means. In my state, New Jerseyans are going to pay over 170% more for their health care. I've talked to families up and down my state, and their stories are painful, if not agonizing, because you hear parents, I talked to a family with a special needs child, having to make the most difficult decision. We cannot afford health care for everyone in the family, so now we're trying to figure out which one of the two of us, the parents, should go without health coverage, or perhaps both of us. There is fear in my state of not knowing how you make tough choices, go deeper into credit card debt to cover healthcare costs, make a decision about whether to buy your prescription drugs that you need as the parent and still try to get food on the table. Americans are seeing the sticker shock of healthcare that is skyrocketing because the Republicans refuse to do anything about the problem. There are painful days ahead for Americans who are already enduring the leadership of this administration that is kneecapping American farmers, hurting American companies, causing so much pain for American workers. As people's energy costs go up, grocery costs go up, and now their health care costs skyrocket. This is an administration that is about corruption, chaos, and cruelty. They should come to the table and negotiate with us. Donald Trump promised to bring people's prices down. He's done the exact opposite. He should come to the table and negotiate with us to help people through this healthcare nightmare that right now will only get worse because the big, beautiful bill is also gutting close to $1 trillion out of Medicaid. This will be the worst healthcare disaster our nation has ever seen, with more people poised to lose health insurance than at any other time. This is a uniquely American problem. The number one reason people go bankrupt in America is still their healthcare costs. This does not happen in Canada, does not happen in England, does not happen in France, does not happen in New Zealand. This is an American problem of the Republicans making, and we're demanding that they do something about the pain and the hurt that American families are experiencing and the fear as they look at their health care costs going up in my state well over 100%. These are working Americans who expect more from their leadership, and I, for one, will continue to stand with the people of my state who are demanding help at a time that so many are hurting.